Okay, today we're going to make a robot, a painty robot, okay? Yeah, we'll make drawings. You will need this adapter, 9-volt adapter, of course, a battery, 9 volts, a little DC motor, yes, for 3 to 5 volts, a cork, a piece of cork. You can ask mom and dad to cut, if they have a cork there in house, just to cut a piece of that one, okay? A switch,
Music licensing
and a cup there. Something to mark there, like have my markers here, or you can have your crayons, whatever, okay? The colors that you like. The first thing that we are going to make is the circuit. So let me show you. I don't need a battery right now. So we are going to connect the red ones, red to red, and black to black, but between the blacks we are going to put the switch. Yeah, we are going to connect it like that. Okay, we are going to solder the connections.
Music licensing reimagined.
You can ask for help from mom and dad to do it. If not, you can, I think in the electronic store they can help you to do the soldering, okay? I buy all my stuff in W Electronics, so I bet they can help you there, okay? Just ask nicely. Let me solder those connections, and okay, as you can see, the circuit is already done, and now we are going to glue everything in place. Okay, for that purpose I need my hot glue. Don't play with that, remember. Use mom and dad, please. Ask mom and dad to help you. Okay, so first thing, we are going to put a fair amount of glue here, and we are going to put the battery in the middle. Okay, so it stays in the middle. Then we are going to add some glue here, also a fair amount of glue, and we're going to put the motor there. Okay, there we go, there's the motor, and we are going to add a little bit more glue here so we can add the bottom there. Okay, so over here, glue there, excellent, and there you go. Okay, almost ready. And remember the
music
fork,
licensing
okay,
reimagined.
this little thing. Just need to going to put it on here. Going to put it there, but it needs to be, as you can see there. Here's a little hole. It only you can push it there. Okay, it's not in the middle. Okay, you need to put it almost on the rim. Okay, over there. So we are going to make this thing to vibrate. Okay. We need vibrates because the mass is going to go around but not in equilibrium. Okay, so there we go. Okay, and we're going to connect our battery, and that's it. It's almost done. So you put it there, it starts moving around. Okay, super fast.
Music licensing
That's so cool. Okay, very good. So let's put our markers, whatever you like. Okay, let's do that. For that thing, you will need some rubber bands. Okay, let me do it and be back with you. Okay, very good. So I already have my rubber bands here and my colors, and I'm going to make some holes here. As you can see, I marked them. I'm going to use this kind of hot pen, okay, but you can use another thing. Remember to ask mom and dad. But I'm going to make the hole here so you can get through the pen, the marker. You
music
can go.
licensing reimagined.
Okay, so with this one you also will need the mom and dad helps. Okay, so I'm making the hole. I'm going to make bigger so the markers, I have the markers, these markers here go through, and then I'm going to put my rubber bands around, okay, so I can get secure. Let me finish this stuff here, this procedure, and coming back to you. Okay? Thank you. Okay, so I already put my rubber bands, so you can see
Music
they're in the holes.
licensing reimagined.
Maybe you want to make a sturdy cup. Okay, mine was to not so sturdy, so that's why I would. But if you want to do it with something more sturdy, or that's okay. Okay, so let's go for the round. Remember, we're going to try to align all the colors, so you can try to put it there. And this is going to be super fun because if one of these colors is actually a little bit more,
Artlist.io.
you know that it's more over here. You know, it's higher the point of the other one. You can go to other places. Okay, we'll move differently. So in this configuration, let's try it. Okay. Look.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh my god, super cool. And you can use your markers, okay? So it's making circles. There. Let me go for my zoom camera. Oh, sorry. Let's do the zoom camera. Over there. So look. It's making the circles, okay? Let's try it over here.
Artlist.io.
Super cool. Look at the drawings. The drawings, this is nice. And you can change their colors, okay? You can change the color, it's going to be different, okay? Super cool. Actually, the camera doesn't
Music licensing
make very good
reimagined.
at differentiate the colors, but they are looking so awesome, okay? Very good, look at that. Oh my god, this is super cool. So you can change the color, you can add more colors if you wish, okay? So this is a painting robot. There you go. You can name it
Artlist.io.
Painting. Yes, it's Robo Painty. Looks like Frankenstein. But it works cool. Works very fine. So that's Painty. And the drawings of Painty. Try to make some other colors. Try to
Music
put some
licensing
markers there.
reimagined.
You will enjoy it. You will have a lot of fun. And then you can sign them, okay? You know, put your name there. Like, I'm going to sign this one. I'm going to put Robo Painty. That's very portrait. That's excellent.
Artlist.io.
This goes for the museum. See you. Oh, bye bye.